Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. How's everybody today? In today's project, guys, let me show you how to crochet a basic arm for a doll or amigurumi. Okay. I am going to use a marker. If you're a beginner, you can use a marker, but if you have no issue about counting, then just go ahead and skip the marker, okay? But I suggest for the beginners to use the marker. And I am going to use size C 2.75mm crochet hook and a number 2 yarn. It's a baby yarn. I'm going to use a cotton. Guys, if you want a different size for this arm, you can go ahead and use a different size of yarn as long as your hook goes with the yarn that you are going to use, okay? Alright, we're going to begin. To begin, we are going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, and then remove the ring. And into the ring, we are going to make a chain 1. This chain 1 does not count. So we're going to make 10 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to close the ring. We have 2 strands here. One is in the outside and one is in the inside. The one in the inside, we're going to pull that halfway from left to right. Okay, like that. Now this tail, I am going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured. And for the tail, I am going to crochet this along as I go. We're not going to do the joining for this project, okay? So make 1 single crochet into the beginning single for the round 2. This tail, I am going to crochet this along, so I have to put it here. Okay. Now, for the beginners, if for any of you who want to use a marker, you can always use your marker in the beginning of each round. Okay. And we're going to make 1 single crochet into the remaining stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 single crochet around. Now for the round 3, single crochet into the beginning single. And don't forget to put your marker if you are using a marker. And we are going to make single crochet around. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you should have 10 single crochet around, okay? For the round 4, we are going to repeat this. 1, put your marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and continue working, repeating this last round until round 18, and make sure that you maintain the 10 countings. Okay, and also for the one who's using the marker, don't forget to use your marker in each beginning of the round. Okay, now I'm going to continue working until round 18. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, before we close, if you want it a little bit longer, just go ahead and repeat this last round a few more, add a few more rounds. And also, if you want to put a stuffing, just slightly stuff it, but I don't need to put a stuffing, so I don't need the stuffing. Okay, now we are going to flatten it like that. Okay, when you finish your prefer length, and then flatten it like this, and we are going to work in both thickness, okay, across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can lock our work here and then cut the yarn. Okay, this is how it looks like. If you put a stuffing inside, it's gonna be round like this, but don't put too much stuffing, just put a slight just stuff it slightly only. Okay, and also make sure to make one more to complete the pair. Okay, this is how the arm look like. Alright guys, thank you for crocheting along with me. I hope you like it. This is a very basic one for dolls. And also, yeah, we finished one more project. Thank you so much guys, and see you again for the next project.